Do you want to know how you can log into your YYK Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your YYK Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser and search for YYK Payroll Login, and you can see the first link over here. Go ahead and click on this yycredit.com, and it will lead you to the official login portal secured by Desert. So go ahead and write down your account number or card number in the first box. After you've written your account number or card number, go to your password and click on password and click on this icon to check your password once and click login. This way you can successfully log into your account in YYK. So this is it, guys. This is how you log into your account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video.